In this video, we're going to focus on how we can center the scale or the X scale and the Y scale in the center of the chart. So let's start to look how to do this. So let's start to look how to center the scale labels in Chart.js. So the first thing what we need is we need to get the border template, which you can find on chartjs3.com getting started. This specific link here, which you can find as well in the description box. So once you're on the site, copy this default code, copy all of this. If you want to understand this code, make sure you watch this video here that explains it all. And then what we're going to do is we're going to enter, paste all of this in there, cut this out and put it in here. Once we did that, I want to maximize the size here as well, 80%, save, refresh, or refresh this one. There we are. For this, it is far more logical to have a line chart. So what we're going to do here is create a line chart. Save, refresh. Alright. So now what I want to do is I want to push this to the center. Let's scroll down here and let's do one here first. We're going to say here on the Y, position and center, comma, save, refresh. There we are. Now we have one. So let's do the other one as well. And we're going to go here, enter, X scale, comma, and then we say here position as well, center. Save, refresh. Now we have this in the center, but maybe you want, for example, numbers for this. In that case, we're going with it or into a scatter style chart. However, we can do this as well in a line chart. Basically, because we have these labels here, Chart.js considers this a category type of scale. So what I want to do here is the type of scale will convert this into a linear scale type. Save, refresh. You can see now we have the numbers, but of course the line doesn't show. The reason why the line doesn't show is because now we need to specify the X and Y values instead of having the labels, because normally the labels are being used for the category. And that's basically it, and that's the most important part here on converting it or converting the scale into the center. If you enjoyed this video and maybe you want to use this, for example, for a specific chart, another chart I'm going to recommend use this one here, how to create a pyramid chart in Chart.js, where you basically can put this here in the center nicely.